Gusto ko lang i-share that June is the calm before Q4 spending storm. So now is the best time to prepare. Alam mo ba na ang June ang huling buwan bago magsimula ang gastos season? Yes, I'm talking about Burr months. Konti na lang. Excited ka na? Mula July onward, sunod-sunod ang events, gastos, and mga emergencies na lagi na lang hindi natin napaghahandaan. Na dito sa Pilipinas, alam na natin to. June, July, enrollment yan ng mga kids. August to September, mga rainy season, bagyo, calamities, sakit. Then October to December, holidays, travels, gifts, parties, 13th month pay. So, anong ginagawa kapag nawawala yung emergency fund? Number 1, swipe muna ng credit card. Number 2, hira muna kay ate or kay bestie or sa 5-6. Or number 3, i-delay na lang yung mga bills. And number 4, stress ka buong taon. But what if this year baguhin natin? Maghanda ka na ng mas maaga. Anong gagawin mo? Number 1, set aside kahit 100 pesos to 500 pesos every week. Kasi pag kinumpute mo yun, that's actually 400 pesos to 2,000 pesos every month. Isa-isang taon na compute mo na, 24,000 yun. Number 2, build your emergency fund gradually. 3, explore insurance policies with cash values or riders that provide financial protection. Remember, ang emergency fund ay hindi lang talaga for emergency purposes. Ito din yung pang-iwas mo sa utang at panic, kasama na stress. So, kaya nga yung kalma pa ang gastos, it's the perfect time to plan ahead. Let's build your financial buffer before the real storm starts. Tutulungan kita. Anong gagawin natin? Number 1, set realistic saving goals. Number 2, find the right insurance with emergency-ready features. And number 3, make sure your budget supports your goals. So if you want free consultation, message my social media accounts or talk to your Sun Life financial advisors today. Bye!